Hello, I'm Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to 90 at 9, brought to you in association with ASB. This is our morning briefing where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, starting now, with news from Quotable Value that house prices in New Zealand are now down 10.1% from the peak at the end of 2007. They're reporting that in March, prices fell 9.3% in the 3 months to March from the same 3 months a year ago. Auckland is the hardest hit of the big cities, down more than 10% from a year ago. Big falls too in Northland and Gisborne. However, some cities have fared better. Wellington is doing slightly better than the rest, as is Christchurch, and we're seeing too that some of the provincial cities, particularly in dairy areas like Hamilton, New Plymouth and Southland, have done better than some of the bigger cities. Meanwhile, we're hearing from Auckland, where this proposal for a SuperCity is coming up against some opposition. Waitakere City Council is saying that the restructuring costs involved with this plan will cost each taxpayer $550, and there aren't any signs yet of cost reductions from the move to a SuperCity. Meanwhile, overseas there's talk that Bank of America may need a massive capital raising, $36.6 billion. Impossible in this market, that means nationalisation. And finally, we're hearing from the US Federal Reserve, from its minutes from its meeting in the middle of March, that the outlook for the US economy was very weak, and it decided to spend $1 trillion buying back bonds, printing money, to get over it. The Dow, meanwhile, is closing weekly, down slightly in late trade. I'm Hickey, that was 90 at 9, brought to you in association with ASB.